and goes.
Hi, are you always alone in your lobby? Even though on the V Discord many people are online in the game, have you find new sessions but are you still alone? Don't worry, I know how to fix it. Just follow these steps.
Choke you down just like a pill.
First you go to network settings, then select wireless or wired connection.
Take you like a pill.
After that you set the DNS to primary DNS 8.8.8.8, secondary DNS 8.8.4.4.
Do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep. Never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No. I choke you down just like a pill.
Make sure your NAT is type 2. If you have tried logging back into GTA, let's see.
Take you like a pill.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
You always show us your truth.